Here's another quickie. So we've got about 412 hours on the lawnmower here. Gonna do a quick check on the air cleaner because it's one thing I realized I have not changed since last season, or a couple seasons. So just unscrew these. This is the Intek V-Twin 21 horsepower engine, in case you're wondering. I think several of these engines are similar. So just unscrew these. Okay, once they're unscrewed, pop that off. Now, there's a two-piece filter system here. First is the element, which, yeah, that looks disgusting. And there's also a foam piece here. And yeah, that looks disgusting too. So I have been a bad boy, have not been good about changing this. If you're not sure if this is due for a replacement, hold it up to the sun. You should be able to see light through it. And yeah, barely anything. So let's compare it to the new one. Do the same test. Lots more light coming through. So this is a much better element. So definitely time to replace it. The foam pre-filter needs some engine oil soaked into it. So I'll just take some, this is the 10W30 that I use in the Mower engine. Pour some in there. And then we're gonna squish it around. Want to get it all saturated in the foam. Soak up the excess with a shop towel. And while we've got this open, we'll give it a wipe down, get some of the dirt out of there. Just clean off the lip. So that's the intake to the carburetor there. So we want to make sure that that's clean. So this is the raw air intake. It goes in through the pre-filter, then through the foam filter, and then into the carburetor intake. So we want to make sure all that's clean. All right, I'll drop that back in place. Put the foam air cleaner back, and then do that, and then screw these guys in. And then just snug everything down, because that's what's going to seal that air cleaner against the plastic and force the air to have to go through it. Okay, give it a little choke. Make sure it blades off. Give it a little bit of throttle. Pedal down. Release the choke. Just another quickie for you. You know, anytime I do something, I want to share it with you guys, so that way if you're not sure, you're not familiar, or just a reminder of, hey, I need to do that too. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you later.